morning, everyone. AMCLI is an Italian microbiological society and an ESCMID affiliated society addressed in Fermi Street in Milan. AMCLI Society was founded in 1970 with the aim to promote clinical microbiology, supporting the scientific research and training of its members, providing updated tools for the clinical diagnosis of the infectious diseases, and ensuring the highest standard in laboratory performances in public hospitals, universities, and public health service. Moreover, the AMCLI Association cooperates with National Ministry of Health, National Health Institute, and regional departments of public health. AMCLI is made up by the President Clinici, the board, the working committees, the working groups, the regional representatives, and other members that include physicians, biologists, and technicians. AMCLI has got 15 working groups. Each of them deals with a specific branch of microbiology. For example, COSA deals with antimicrobials, COSM with mycology, GLIDE with infection in transplantation, and GLITRAVE with vertically transmitted infection. In 2021, only one event was held as a residential because of pandemic. The topic was how to face a great problem for the health system, that is the management of sepsis and septic shock. Nevertheless, many events and updates took place to ensure that each member could keep updated with the latest development in microbiology and to allow achieving the accreditation required in clinical field. In particular, 4 of them were in e-learning. Moreover, in 2021, AMCLI also organized live webinar, especially about COVID, since all the members needed daily updates to face the pandemic and all the problems arising from it. Besides that, AMCLI organized live webinars, even if they were also registered, to allow all members to keep abreast of that latest development, even some days later. Position papers and online magazines provide an excellent source of information. In 2021, position papers on the molecular diagnosis on COVID-19, cases and infection, on the use and interpretation of serological tests for SARS-CoV-2 were requested by the Scientific Society. The subsequent virus waves in 2020, the huge work faced up by laboratories for COVID diagnosis and management, and the general lockdown obliged AMCLI to plan only online events for that year. The National Congress was postponed from 2021 to 2022 because of the second winter COVID wave. A very good news in 2021 was the vaccination against COVID-19. A member of AMCLI board, Professor Capobianchi, and its president, Clinici, were the first Italian people who got vaccinated. In 2021, lots of documents have been sent to be read and interpreted. Here is a photo of our president, overloaded with documents from each region, from the Ministry of Health, from a set of COVID rules to be always updated according to protocols, but also to virological and serological diagnostic. At last, in 2022, we celebrated the 15th anniversary of our society. Above all, thanks to vaccine, we could have personally taken part in the Congress. Here, we would like to show you some photos taken at the Congress, participated by about 1,000 participants. On this occasion, all the microbiology fields have extensively been discussed. Thank you for attention for AMCLI, Italian affiliated ESCMID Society.